Hello, how are you? Welcome to a new installment of your Pharmacy Assistant. On this occasion, we would talk about what it is used for and how it is used. So let's take a look.
Hey everyone, welcome to this complete guide to rosemary. Today we're going to discover all the wonders of this plant and how to use it. Let's start by talking a little bit about rosemary and its superpowers for our health. Rosemary is a natural anti-inflammatory. It is also an antioxidant and fights germs. How does it help us? In a lot of ways. It improves digestion, relieves muscle aches, and can even help your hair grow stronger. Are you wondering how this magic works? Rosemary has special components like rosmarinic acid and flavonoids. These reduce inflammation and improve blood circulation. In addition, its rich aroma helps us concentrate and remember things better. Now, let's get to work. How can we prepare and use rosemary? A very easy way is to make an infusion. You just have to boil water, add a few sprigs of fresh or dried rosemary, let it sit for a few minutes, and you're done. You can also use rosemary essential oil to give yourself massages or apply it to your scalp for stronger hair. If you have any muscle pain, you can use rosemary compresses to feel better. But watch out, although rosemary is great, you have to use it carefully. If you overdo it, it can irritate your skin or give you stomach problems. Pregnant women and people with epilepsy should not use rosemary essential. Finally, remember that rosemary has many benefits, but it is always better to consult with a doctor before using it to take care of your health. I hope you like this guide. If you want to learn more about natural remedies, subscribe to the channel. See you next time.
If you've made it this far, let us know in the comments why you're using this medicine